What's up, guys? This is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. So I got the Axon M, right? 2017 foldable phone. And I read you guys' comments and I see people say stuff on the internet. A lot of people say this phone is trash. It can't perform like a Galaxy Fold. You want a real phone? Wait for the Galaxy Fold. Spend your $2,000 on that device. This $130 phone cannot run heavy tasks. It will crash on you and bog down. It's laggy, it's buggy. That's what a lot of people say. So look what I got down here in the background. I got a Bluetooth keyboard, I got a hard drive, I got mouse. So let's put it to the test. In this video, I'm gonna show you that this phone can run high intensive programs with no sweat. Sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready. Oh, this gonna be a good one. This will go be a very good one. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Eric back with another video. So I got the Axon M. I got it propped up on a little prop here, and so y'all guys can see this. And I got Bluetooth keyboards and mouses here, right? So first thing I want to let you guys see here is that I got a Bluetooth keyboard and a Bluetooth mouse connected to the Axon M, right? So I got a Bluetooth keyboard and mouse already connected. So let me go ahead and show you guys some of the peripherals here that you can connect to the Axon M, right? It's because guess what? A lot of naysayers say there's no way that you can get work done on this thing. There's no way, right? Well, let's see what it's all about. What I got right here is a Samsung adapter, all right? USB type C, all right? So let's go on to connect a wireless mouse to the Axon M. Now I have a Bluetooth mouse, but let's go on and see if this will work here. So when I connect this, boom, I'm good to go. And I have a Logitech wireless mouse connected here via USB. Boom. All right, so now I have another wireless mouse connected here to my Axon M. So there it is. So using the wireless adapter here, USB wireless adapter, I could connect a wireless mouse and a wireless keyboard if I wanted to. Boom, so there it is. All right, but what about a hard drive, right? No way. Now, let me show you guys something. Now, on some devices, you need power to run something like this. Now, this is a 1 terabyte hard drive, 1 terabyte, right? Something about like a thumb drive, right? It's my passport, 1 terabyte, right? Some phones, you need power to run this. So it's no way that the Axon M could run this. Let me go ahead and plug it back up. Let me show you guys really quick that you can run a full-fledged hard drive on here. Here we go. There's no way. Boom. All right. So I just connected my hard drive and there it is. I feel it spinning and now you see it running. And at the top here, there it is. So when I scroll down, we got USB drive. So I got a USB drive here connected. Boom. All right, so let's go to put this back on the stand and let's get some business work done, right? Just say if I want to open up a Word, just go to do a Word document. Boom, right? So let's go to open up a Word document here. Boom. All right, so I got a Word document here and wow, listen, man, look how fast that opened, guys. Look at that. All right, so I'm good to go here. Now I can use my Bluetooth keyboard and now I can get work done. Look at that. Boom. I'll kind of blow it up a little bit for you guys so y'all can see me type. This is a test. Now look at that. Squeeze y'all in a little bit so y'all can see that. Look at that. This is a test. I did this on my Bluetooth keyboard on the Axon M. Another unique feature with this device, and a lot of naysayers will say that this device cannot run high intensive games and watch a YouTube video at the same time. So what I got down here is I have Asphalt 8, a high intensive game, all booted up and ready to go. And I have a video here, and I think this is at maybe 2K or maybe 4K video playing, right? So I'm gonna play the video. All right, so a video is playing, and there's no way I could play a high intensive game and watch a YouTube video at the same time. It's no way, right? All right, so let's go on and play here. Boom, here we go. So right now, I got a YouTube video playing, and I got a high intensive game also playing, right? There's no way, look at that. There's no way, no hiccup, no stuttering. If this phone's supposed to crash right about now, there's no way that you can play a high intensive game and watch a YouTube video at the same time. But I'm doing that on this phone. There's no way, I have to have the 855, and I have to have 12 gigs of RAM to do this, right? No stuttering, no hiccups, right? It's playing, and I'm behind the camera, so as y'all can see that I'm kind of looking rough there. But I wanted to show you real quick that I am multitasking here, that I can actually watch a YouTube video or doing some other task as I'm playing a high intensive game with no problem. Boom, there it is. All right, so let's get out of here. I just wanted to show you guys that, and I got out the game, and now the video is still playing. So now if I want to search the web, or let's say if I want to search my social media, let's see if I could go to some of my social media here. Boom, right? There it is. So I went to Instagram, and we all know that Instagram is in portrait, right? And so it automatically transferred from landscape to portrait because the device figured out that my Instagram is in portrait. So now I still can see the video, and I can go and read the comments at the bottom if I wanted to, right? So there go the comments, and now I can look at some of my Instagram stuff. Shout out to my man TK. Go on and like that. That's what I'm talking about. Uh-oh. Shout out to Scrumptious Kimmy. She got a liquor on deck. Go on and like that. All right, so right now, I'm multitasking. I got a YouTube video playing, and I'm looking at my Instagram. All right. Boom, there it is. Now, one of the critical things about this phone that is all on ZTE. This phone is running Android 7.1.2. That's a shame. This phone should be running Android 8 with some more optimizations, or even Pi. And so shame on ZTE for not supporting this device. I mean, for 130 bucks, this phone is a very good buy. Matter of fact, for 130 bucks, this phone beats out almost every device that I have for 130 bucks. Every device that I have is over 130 bucks. So this phone could do more things for 130 bucks than my $1,000 phones. So that shows a lot. Now, is this going to run like an 855? No. Is this going to run like an 845? No. But it will run like an 821 processor with 4 gigs of RAM. That's the way it's going to run. It's very good optimization going on with this phone, and it runs very well. But I'm showing you guys that it's being done. No problem. And I got the animated wallpaper. It's all good. Let's go on to talk about the battery life on this phone. Now, this phone is giving me about 4.5 hours of on-screen time with animated wallpapers and full brightness. Now, is that good? Listen, man, this phone came out in 2017, 821 processor. It does have quick charge, so if I needed to charge it up very fast, I could always put it on the charger. 4.5 hours of battery life, good standby time. I don't have any issues with that because if I carry 3 phones with me, so if I need to top off, boom, there it is. Everything you could do on this phone without a hitch, and I just saved almost $2,000 because I didn't get the Galaxy Fold. Well, the Galaxy Fold, it don't exist, but I just wanted to show you guys that here with this phone, that all the naysayers say this phone is trash, it's garbage, it doesn't perform, and this, that, and the other is false. This phone performs very well. I don't have any issues with this phone. I showed you guys multitasking, heavy tasks, and all kinds of things in between. So I just wanted to make a video showing you guys a lot of things that you could do on the Axon M, and it works very well. Look at that. This is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the Axon M in all its glory. See you guys on the next video. Peace.